Sebuah perkebunan bambu skala besar, memasok rebung segar untuk pengolahan industri.
Perkebunan bambu yang luas ini menunjukkan bagaimana berketerbangan industri dapat berperan tantangan alam. Dengan presisi yang cermat, kami memastikan setiap tunas bambu mencapai kualitas dan kematangan sempurna. Rebung segar tiba setiap hari dari perkebunan bambu yang dikelola. Setiap pengiriman dibongkar, ditimbang,
dan dicatat ke dalam sistem pemrosesan pabrik untuk memastikan ketertelusuran
dan pasokan bahan baku yang konsisten.
Bamboo shoots move onto automated conveyor lines, where size, shape, and surface condition are inspected.
Foreign materials are removed, and uniform shoots proceed to the cleaning stage.
High-capacity washing machines clean the bamboo shoots using pressurized water.
High-capacity washing machines clean the bamboo shoots using pressurized water.
Soil, sand, and surface residues are removed,
while maintaining the structural integrity of the shoots.
Unit pengupasan mekanis melepaskan lapisan luar rebung yang keras. Proses ini menyingkap bagian dalam yang dapat dimakan, sekaligus memastikan ketebalan yang seragam di seluruh unit.
Peeled bamboo shoots enter fully automated cutting machines. Rotary blades and linear cutters slice the bamboo shoots into uniform segments with precise thickness and length. Cutting speed, blade position, and output size are controlled digitally.
Sliced bamboo shoots enter blanching tanks,
where controlled heat deactivates enzymes. This step preserves color, texture, and shelf stability. Bite before drying. After blanching. After blanching. The bamboo shoots are cooled rapidly. The bamboo shoots are cooled rapidly. Point to stabilize moisture content. And prepare them for the drying process.
The bamboo shoots are arranged inside industrial drying chambers.
Controlled airflow and temperature. point gradually reduce moisture levels. Transforming fresh bamboo shoots into durable, dried products. Dried bamboo shoots undergo moisture analysis. And structural inspection. Sensors verify dryness. Texture. And uniformity. To meet food safety and quality standards.
Approved dried bamboo shoots are portioned.
And sealed using automated packaging machines.
Packaging protects the product from moisture and contamination during storage and transport.
Packaged products are transferred to climate-controlled warehouses. Inventory systems track batch numbers.
Build-up and storage duration.
For efficient distribution.
Movie flow.
Dried bamboo shoots are loaded for domestic distribution. Dried bamboo shoots are loaded for domestic distribution and international export.
Logistics systems ensure timely delivery to wholesalers, retailers,
And food manufacturers.